Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create another account using the Capitec app. First, you need to download the Capitec app. Open the App Store on your device. If you use an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. If you use an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. If you use a Huawei phone, open the Huawei App Gallery. Search for Capitec Bank and download the official app. Wait for the app to finish installing on your phone. Once the app is installed, open it. On the first screen, tap on Open an Account. Next, tap on Myself to continue with creating an account for yourself. You will now be asked to enter your South African ID number. Type it carefully and make sure it is correct before moving to the next step. After that, the app will ask you to take a couple of selfies. Follow the instructions on the screen. Make sure you are in a well-lit place and your face is clearly visible. This step is used to confirm that it is really you. Next, enter your personal details. Fill in all the required information as shown on your ID. Take your time to avoid mistakes. Then read through the agreement and sign it directly in the app. Once this is done, your account setup is complete. You are now ready to use your Capitec account in the app. Thanks for watching.